Hello students, in today's lecture I am going to explain you the selected questions from the first exercise of mathematical logic. So let's consider question number 1. Write the following compound statements symbolically. First, Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. So first we will write this compound statement in terms of simple statement. So let's consider P as Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Q as Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Now the symbolic form is P and Q because and is the logical connective given in this compound statement. Now second, angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Now even though negative statement is given, while writing the simple statement we will write the positive one. So P as angle is acute and Q as angle is obtuse, and that negation we will write at the time of symbolic form. Now first we will think that can we write this statement by using any one of the logical connective. Yes, we can write this statement as angle is neither acute and nor obtuse. So whenever neither nor is given, we can use the logical connective and therefore the symbolic form is negation of P and negation of Q. Now third, x is not irrational number but is square of an integer. So even though the first simple statement is negative, while writing we will write it as positive. So P as x is an irrational number and Q as x is a square of an integer. Now here no logical connective is present. So we will think of can we replace this but by any one of the logical connective? Yes, we can replace. So statement will be x is not irrational number and is a square of an integer. So even though whenever but is present, we can replace it by the logical connective and therefore the symbolic form is negation of P and Q. Now fourth one, if triangle ABC is right angle at B, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 90 degree. So first statement will be P as triangle ABC is right angle at B and Q as measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 90 degree. And therefore the symbolic form is P implies Q because the logical connective if then is present here. Now moving towards the next question. Question number 2. Write the truth values of the following statements. So first one, 24 is a composite number or 17 is a prime number. Now even though truth value is asked, first we will write this compound statement in terms of simple statements, then we will write the symbolic form, then we will substitute the truth values of that simple statements and then we will get the final truth value of the given compound statement. So here P as 24 is a composite number and Q as 17 is a prime number. So symbolic form is P or Q. Now is 24 is a composite number? Yes. So value of P is T, true. Is 17 is a prime number? Yes. So value of Q is true, that is T. So here we will substitute true or true. So answer is T, means true. So the truth value of the given compound statement is true. Now next, if 3 into 5 is equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. So here P is 3 into 5 is equal to 8 and Q is 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. So symbolic form is P implies Q because if then is present. Now is 3 into 5 is 8? No. So value of P is false. So here we will substitute F. Is 3 plus 5 is equal to 15? No. So value of Q is false. So here we will substitute F. So F implies F. We will check the table of if then and here we will get the value of the given compound statement as true. Now third, it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Only one simple statement is present here, and that statement we will consider as P. So P is 5 minus 3i is a real number. So symbolic form is negation of P, because first it is given that it is not true that. So for that we will write negation. Now we will check whether 5 minus 3i is a real number. No, because when the number is given in the form of a plus bi, that type of numbers are called as complex number. So it is not a real number. So value of P is false. So here we will substitute F, and negation of F is T. So the value of the given statement is true. Now fourth one, milk is white if and only if sky is blue. So first statement P is milk is white, and the second statement Q is sky is blue. Now the symbolic form is P if and only if Q, because if and only if is the logical connective present in the given compound statement. So is milk is white? Yes. So value of P is T. True. Is sky is blue? Yes. Therefore the value of Q is true, that is T, that we will substitute here. Now we will check the table for if and only if. When both the statements are true, then the value of the given compound statement is true. Now question number 3. If the statements PQ are true statements and RS are false statements, then determine the truth value of the following. Means it is already given that P and Q are true statements, R and S are false statement. By using this information, we need to find the truth values of the given statements. So first one, P or Q and R. Now we will substitute the values of P, Q and R here. P is true, Q is true, R is false. Now first we will solve the bracket. T and F. We know the table for AND. Out of both the statement, any one is false, then answer is false. So here we will get F. Now T or F. Now we will recall the table for OR. Out of both the statement, any one is true, then answer is true. Therefore the truth value of the given statement is T. Now next one, P implies Q and negation of R. Here also we will substitute the value of P as true, Q as true and R as false as given to us. Now T implies T, we will recall the table for implies. So value of this is true and negation of F is also true. Now T and T will give us T. So the value of the statement is true. Now next, P implies Q or R implies S. Here also we will substitute the value of P and Q as T, T, R and S as F, F. Now again by recalling the table for if then, the value of T implies T is T, the value of F implies F is T, and therefore T or T is T. So the value of the given statement is true. Now next one, negation of P and Q and negation of R, or Q implies P implies negation of S or R. Here also we will substitute the values of P and Q as true, true, and R and S as false, false. Now first we will solve bracket. Negation of T as F, negation of F as T. Here also T implies T will gives us T, negation of F is T, keeping all the logical connectives as it is. Now F and T is F. Here also T or F is T. Now we will recall the table for AND. F and T is F. T implies T is T. Now in table of OR, we know that out of both the statement, any one is true, then answer is true. Therefore the value of the given statement is T. Now next, negation of P and negation of Q and R, or Q and R or P and R. Here also we will substitute the values of P and Q as true, true, R and S as false, false. But S is not given, so we will substitute the value of R is false. Now negation of t is f, negation of t is f. Then in next step f and f is f, t and f is f, t and f is f. Now f and f is f, f or f is f. So false or false will gives us false. The value of the given compound statement is false. Now question number 4, write the negation of the following statements. First one, root 2 is a rational number. Now here we will write not for the given statement. So root 2 is not a rational number. Now here we will not use the opposite word. For rational we will not write irrational. We will write not a rational number. And if it is already given that root 2 is not a rational number, then negation will be root 2 is a rational number. Now second, polygon A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. So negation will be polygon A, B, C, D, E is not a pentagon. Now third, 7 plus 3 is strictly greater than 5. Now negation will be 7 plus 3 is not strictly greater than 5, or we can say 7 plus 3 is less than or equal to 5. In next lecture we will learn how to construct the truth table. Thank you students.